Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to revise our previous topic, I love colors. Now students, today we revise colors. Tell me which color is this? Very good. Which picture of this? Apple. Very good. Okay. What is the color of lemon? Yellow. Very good. What is the color of bird? Blue. Very good. What is the color of balloon? Orange. Very good. What is the color of frog? Green. Very good. What is the color of flower? Purple. Very good. What is the color of donkey? Grey. Very good. What is the color of panther? Black. Very good. What is the color of horse? Brown. Very good. What is the color of rose? Very good. What is the color of egg? Very good. Now students, open your EDAC book level 4. Open page number 80. Here students, you will draw a picture of anything that has the same color as the given ones. Students, see the marigold flower in yellow color. So, draw any picture which are related to yellow color like banana, mango, bat, ball, anything. And this is a picture of tomato. Tomato's color is red. So, draw anything which color is red. Like apple, strawberry, ball, anything. Now students, open page number 81. Here students, you read the name of the colors and color the flowers accordingly. Like here, G-R-E-E-N, green. So fill green color here. Next flower is name is B-L-U-E, blue. So fill blue color here. Next R-E-D, red. So fill red color here. Next Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. So fill yellow color here. After filling the color students, you open page number 82. Here students, you add the colors as per the answer. If the answer is 4, you fill P-L-E-U-E, blue color. And if the answer is 5, you will fill red color, R-E-D, red. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. So fill red color here. 2 plus 2 is 4. So fill blue color here. 3 plus 2 is 5. So fill red color here. 3 plus 1, 4. So fill blue color here. 4 plus 1, 5. So fill red color here. This is the number 4, 4, 4, and you fill blue color here, here, and here. Students, fill the color neat and clean. After that, students, open page number 83. Here, student, match the same pattern. One has been done for you, like slipping line with one dot, match it with slipping line, one dot. Next, slipping line and two dots. So match it with this. Now there is a two slanting lines. So match it with this. Now standing line in the middle have a dot. So fill. So match it with this. Next, the dot is here and the two slanting lines. So find out the same picture and pattern is here. So match it with this. Next picture is a picture of a slipping line and two dots. Find out this pattern of is here. So match it with this. Next and last is two standing line with two dots. So match it with this. This is the same. After that, students, you open page number 84. Here, students, Pingu has to reach his igloo. Write the missing number on the blank ice pieces to help him find his way. See, Pingu, 1, 2, 3. Here we write 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we write 8. Here we write 9, 10. Here we write 11. Write 12, 13, 14. Here we write 15. Here we write 16, 17, 18. Here we write 19, 20, 21, 22. Here we write 23 and 24. 25. After that, you write here 26, 27. Here we write 28, 29. Here 30, 31, 32. Right here 33, 34, 35, 36. Right here 37. Here we write 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now Pingu has to reach his house. Now students, let's recite a rhyme. No. Please paint box. Noki has a paint box. Noki has a paint box, but she has just three colors. But just has three colors: red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, and blue. Now what will she do? Now what will she do? Noki picks up red and blue. Noki picks up red and blue. Mix, mix, mix. She gets a purple too. She gets a purple too. Noki picks up blue and yellow. Noki picks blue and yellow. Mix, mix, mix. Green is seen. Green is seen. Noki picks up red and yellow. Noki picks up red and yellow. Mix, mix, mix. Orange says hello. Orange says hello. Clever little Noki. Clever little Noki will mix again red and green. Will mix again red and green. Can you mix the color? Can you mix the color and tell her which color will be seen? And tell her which color will be seen. Students, I hope you have enjoyed my sessions. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.